Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, we continue to track very heavy rain on live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. Reports of thunderstorms and a couple of reports of some lines down up in, was it Northwest Rhode Island? And actually on Route 6 in Foster, some wires down, and in Gloucester on Route 102, some street flooding. No surprise, TJ and I have been watching the radar very closely. These downpours in the last roughly 45 to 60 minutes. Take a look at it right now. First of all, give you an update on the Patuxent River, which is still in flood stage, though it's at minor flood stage. Flood stage is 9 feet. At last check, 10.4. Expected to crest to 11 feet overnight into early tomorrow morning. That's minor to borderline moderate flooding, and the situation being aggravated with the current rain that's falling right now. And the Pawcatuck River in westerly flood stage at 7 feet. The level is 7.6, so just above flood stage. That's considered minor flooding. But even in the westerly area and over the Pawcatuck River, getting some heavy downpours as well. They're showing up on live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar, these areas of orange, gold, and yellow. Some thunderstorms. All of this tracking off to the east and getting ready to pull into southeastern Massachusetts very shortly. It does break up off to our west in eastern Connecticut. So this is going to be a quick mover, and I would say the whole show should be out of here by around 8 or 9 o'clock this evening, and afterwards drier air coming back in. But this heavy rain is just aggravating the situation with rivers and streams. A downpour in Providence right now with poor visibility. So if you're waiting for a loved one coming home from the evening commute, it has been slowed quite a bit as the river concerns continue, with more in the way of these heavy downpours coming through over the next couple of hours. Had some strong thunderstorms earlier, but they have since weakened, but wouldn't rule out the rumble of thunder next couple of hours. A very unsettled weather pattern with more rain slated for Thursday night into Friday morning. Still looking okay for Father's Day weekend. We'll sort that out in just a second. In downtown Providence right now, the temperature has slipped to 72. Newport's at 66, while New Bedford is checking in at 70. So most spots now between roughly 65 and 72 at this hour. You can see that one last batch of rain pinwheeling through right now. Once it slides offshore, notice back through upstate New York, it does dry out. That drier air arriving overnight and just in time for tomorrow. Futurecast shows this very well, starting off at 7 o'clock this evening with some of these showers and downpours continuing, but the bulk of it pulls away. In fact, by midnight, it is all gone. We're left with some clouds, but after that, we'll see some gradual clearing overnight. So by 8 o'clock in the morning, this is more like it, with a mix of clouds and sunshine and dry. This will extend into tomorrow afternoon. Now, small chance, look at these little blips of green. Small chance of a brief pop-up shower, but certainly wouldn't call tomorrow a rainy day. And for the most part, it should be breezy, dry, and comfortable. But showers and thunderstorms and downpours continue for a few more hours, then drying out overnight. Looking good for tomorrow morning at 65, and partly sunny skies, though a windy day, but dry. Small chance of that brief shower. Northwest winds gusting 15 to 25, so a small craft advisory is likely on coastal waters. 7-day outlook shows the next storm system arriving late Thursday into early Friday. Should clear out, though, Friday afternoon, setting up for some decent weather on Father's Day weekend. But the timing on this appears to be Thursday evening, Thursday night. We may be dealing with an inch or more of rain spilling over into Friday morning. The game plan right now is to dry things out Friday afternoon, and so far the Father's Day weekend is still looking good, both Saturday and Sunday, with sunshine, daytime highs mid and upper 70s, and nights between roughly 55 and 60. Give it at least another 2 hours before most of this heavy rain moves out.
All right, thank you, Tony. More